Can't believe it's been 4 days. I feel like my life is over. I don't know what to do with myself. I'm so scared. 4 days ago, someone I love very much was taken away from me. She always had my back. I could talk to her anytime. She knew the best songs. She even helped me write a few of them. She was very good with words. A poet, some would call her. She knew a lot of stuff. I could ask her any question and she could pretty much give me the answer. She knew all the great movies, all the great actors and actresses. She was very smart and very hipster. She was a role model, someone I looked up to, someone I aspired to be one day. She's sleek, slender. She didn't wear a lot of colors, mainly silver and black. She shared all the things that I loved. She had the best memory. She has been having complications and we thought that it was over. We took her to the doctor and, well, she's been gone for 4 days. Sadness is what I'm feeling. After 4 days away at the doctor, we received the results. She's better now, hopefully forever, and hopefully we can spend the rest of our lives together. Reunited, and it feels so good.